Um, in NTUC, we are all very clear. We have a symbiotic relation with the BAP. On May Day, you'll know the three cheers at the end of every May Day rally: Majulah Singapura, Majulah NTUC, Majulah BAP. So that's the reality. It is not something to be taken for granted. That symbiotic relationship is not written anywhere in any constitution, in any rules in NTUC. You might know that in the past, SATU was the big union, and SATU is aligned with the opposition, not with PAP. But at the end of the day, PAP won the elections, 59, and NTUC came up, became the labour movement that has a symbiotic relationship with PAP. The test of that is really, through this symbiotic relationship, did workers benefit over the years, or did they suffer over the years? And I think you ask any union leaders in NTUC, workers have benefited tremendously in the last 50 years. Investments have come in, jobs have improved, wages have gone up. Why? Because there was a close relationship between labour movement and the government, and together with the employers, they work together in a constructive tripartite relationship. If we decide that our job as labour movement is to have strikes, be against the government all the time, then I think we are no longer a good investment destination. Jobs will be destroyed, as in the 50s and the 60s that many older Singaporeans have seen. So ultimate test is, have workers' lives improved? And workers' lives have improved, which is the reason why in NTUC, year after year, term after term, the labour union leaders in NTUC, elected by workers, continue to support the symbiotic relationship with PAP.
That's